Hello Ganofins, and this is your Ganofins here, and welcome to the first tutorial of website development tutorials. In this very first tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the website development. What is a website? So I'm just going to give you introduction of the website development tutorial. What is a website? First of all, a website can be defined as a collection of several web pages that are related to each other and can be accessed by visiting a home page by using a browser like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Opera. For example, as you can see here, the website youtube.com, guys. This is a website. Here you can visit on this website by just typing youtube.com and then by pressing the enter. Each website has its own URL, which is this https then /www.youtube.com, which is unique global address called domain name. A URL comprises of the protocol. Here, as you can see, HTTPS is called a protocol. It is used to access the website, which in this case here it is HTTPS. Its meaning is its port address is 443. It can be also HTTP, which is here, and its port is 80. The subdomain, which is by default, is www. Here, as you can see, the domain name. Domain names are normally chosen to have a meaning. So as you can see here, they choose the UQ. I don't know what was the reason behind this, but maybe there was a big reason. That's why in today's world it is so popular. The suffix name, which can be here .com, as you can see, it can be .info, .net, .biz, or country specific like as .us, .co.uk, whatever. Different suffix name have different price tag on a domain purchasing site. The directories, which is this here in this URL channel, a folder in the server that holds this website. And now here, this is the web page. This is the web page here, as you can see, that we are looking, as this is my channel and it is my channel. This was just the introduction of the website development tutorial. Now let's talk about why do we need websites. What is the reason we build websites? Websites primarily act as a bridge between one who wants to share information and those who want to consume it. If you are running a business, then it is almost imperative for you to have a website to broadcast your offering and reach out to potential clients at a global stage. So that's why we need a website. It is an important thing. In simpler, if you want to grow your business at a global stage, if you want to promote your service or blog, whatever, videos, if you want to make a game and you want to launch it globally, then you can use a website. This website will give a platform to your services, business, games, whatever. It will make you popular, of course. A website is an online brochure where you can advertise your business offers. It gives you a platform to reach out to a far and wide global customer base. If you are a blogger, you have the possibility to influence your readers. You can show all your ideas and publish them on a website. You can communicate with your customers, giving them an opportunity to express themselves. You can provide valuable customer support by having a trouble ticket system. You can also add a personalized email service. For example, if I make a website ganofins.com, then I can also add a email contact@ganofins.com. Now let's talk about how can we set up a website. This is the most important thing, how you can set up, from which service you want to set up your website. A website is composed of several elements, and while setting up a website you should take care of many things. To set up a website and make it live, you should first purchase a hosting plan. Select a domain name for this website. You can purchase a domain from GoDaddy, BigRock, domains.com, Easy Domains. There are so many websites from where you can purchase a domain. Point the DNS record to the server or the hosting provider. Develop the content that you want to publish on the website, then you have to purchase a hosting plan. I also made a website wordfreeapps.com some months ago, but now it is closed because there was not much traffic, so I was in loss. That's why I closed it. Check if you need to purchase a public certificate and install it. Publish the web page on the internet. Setting a website is a big long process. Achieving traffic is a big process. Well, this was just the introduction of website development. If you have any query or question regarding to these things, then you can ask me about them in the comment section below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Then subscribe to my channel for getting updates with my channel. Well, thanks guys for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe.